and welcome to the Center for Applied Neuroscience courses. This tutorial provides an overview of how to navigate the online life coaching course. In your browser, type in the CAN Courses website at cancourses.ca/CANC. This will redirect you to the home page. At the CAN Courses homepage, you'll find a list of courses offered by the Center for Applied Neuroscience. Up in the top right-hand corner of your screen, you'll see the login link. But before we go there, please make sure you have your enrollment message handy. It includes your login information, your username, and your password. Back into the login screen, you can enter your username and the password provided and log in. Here you'll be prompted to change your password. You enter your new password. It must include 8 characters, 1 digit, and at least 1 lowercase letter and 1 uppercase letter, and at least 1 special character, such as a hashtag or a dash. Once you've retyped your password the second time, you save your changes. You'll then see the screen saying that your password has been changed, and you can click on Continue from there. This will take you into your dashboard, which is the information hub for all of your courses. Up in the top right-hand corner, you'll see a drop-down menu from your student profile. We'll be talking about updating your profile in a later segment. Back up to your profile, you can click on Calendar, and that is a snapshot of all the assignments and events and when they're due in a calendar format. And you can drill into these events to see what the assignment is about. It gives you the due date, description of the course event. You can actually click here to go directly to Module 1 to complete the submission, or you can add it directly from this screen. You can also access the calendar through your dashboard. It's at the bottom of your dashboard page. Going back up into your student profile, drop-down menu, we'll have a look at messages. You are able to send and receive internal messages through the CAN Courses site. You will have to set up your contacts beforehand and send a contact request to that person. Once that contact request has been accepted, you'll be able to send messages, or you can use email, whatever works better for you. It's just an option. Looking at private files, you do have this option of saving files directly into your learning platform. You just drag and drop them and then save the changes. Reports aren't used in the CAN platform, but you may be interested in editing your preferences. You're able to edit your profile, your password, calendar preferences. There's a number of options there to choose from. Of particular interest will be the notification preferences. You have an option to disable all the notifications up in the checkbox under the title, or you can go through and choose which notifications you want to be on or off just by toggling the switch. We go back to the drop-down menu into Profile, and this is a snapshot of all of your user details, access to reports, and course details. You can review the privacy and policies guidelines, the course details. These are modules that you're currently enrolled in. You can access any forum posts that you make throughout the whole course and forum discussions. Under reports, we'll be talking about learning plans during class, that's where you will be able to access and how you will monitor your learning plans. Please note that the mobile app QR code is not accessible through this site. You are able to download from the App Store or from Google Play. You may find the experience with the course is different than using a desktop version. So back under the profile page, you can edit your profile. The first 3 boxes are not changeable by the student, so if you do have any changes to make there, please let us know. On the email visibility, you can change that setting. You can make your email visible to everyone, or you can hide it completely, or you can make it visible to course participants only, or people in your class. We don't use the Moodle profile ID, but you can add your city or town, and your country and time zone. Under description, this is your opportunity to share some information about yourself, your interests, what you're hoping to get out of this course. You may want to talk about your family or your pets or anything else that you'd like to share. It's totally optional. We encourage you to upload an image file into the user picture. You can add any image files, any accepted image file, and it'll show up in your profile symbol. Under additional names, you may want to add your preferred pronunciation of your first name or your last name. You can add your middle name or your initial. There's also an option to include an alternate name. There are other optional fields that you may want to include. You can add your phone number, your cell number, and your address if you'd like. Under life coaching experience, you can let us know whether you're new to life coaching or have been coached by a life coach before, or if you have experience coaching others. Under other fields, you can add your personal or business website, and then just click on the button on the bottom, Update Profile. From the home screen, there are a number of ways to access your courses through the course categories, and starting with the graduating year, and then by module within each course, and that will take you into the course content. You can also access your courses through your dashboard. They'll have a listing of recently accessed courses. And then at the top under My Courses, you're also able to access each module. From the main course page, you'll see a banner along the left. It gives you a detailed list of all the activities in each module, and you can click directly on them to access the page for that activity. Up at the top, you have a menu. You can collapse all of the activities into lessons. Each lesson represents a week in the course. And you're also able to expand them again at any time. Up at the top link, under participants, you can click on there and it will take you to a list of all the students and the teachers in the course. You can access their profiles by clicking on their name. Again, at the top under grades, we have user reports here that list all of the assignments for this particular module, and this is where you'll find your contributions and feedback. Please note that we rate your success based on a scale of engagement. We don't use grades or percentages. The final option on the menu list at the top is competencies, and here you'll find a listing of the competencies along with a short description, as well as the link to the assignments or activities that are associated with those competencies. So let's have a closer look at the course content. There's a general section at the beginning of each module. You'll see things like announcements and attendance, which is taken by your course instructor. A course map that will just outline expectations. You'll notice that each module has a series of lessons on specific topics, and they are organized by weeks. So lesson 1.1 is the content for module 1, week 1, and so on. Class preparation, unless otherwise indicated, it's expected that you complete all activities and assignments for the lesson before each class. At the end of each lesson, you will find a list of supplemental resources. These are additional resources that are valuable in deepening your understanding or developing new ways of thinking about these topics, and or inspiring you to continue your own learning and research. In the general section of each lesson, you'll find the full Zoom invitation. Here you'll find the link to the Zoom classes for every week, and it includes a list of each event over the school year. We'd strongly recommend that you download and import that link into your calendar file so that it becomes part of your electronic calendar, and it includes the link there. Also in the general section, you will find a copy of the course syllabus. This is a key document for you as a student. It discusses the format of the classes, the expectations regarding preparation for discussions, attendance, and work completion. It includes a recommended reading list and a detailed schedule week by week of the topic of each lesson. Notice that some weeks are highlighted in yellow. These are professional development classes where you have an opportunity to apply your learning in your coaching practice. Also, under the general section of Module 1, you'll find access to this orientation tutorial that you're now watching. We've also included various Zoom video tutorials to help you navigate our weekly discussions, joining a meeting, configuring audio and video, meeting controls, sharing your screen, and using breakout rooms, all of which you'll be using throughout the course. In the main course page, you'll see indicators along the right side of all required activities. The buttons read Mark as Done or To Do, such as submit assignments, quizzes, or forum posts. Once you've gone into the activity page and completed the task, in this case, watched the video, you can click on the button Mark as Done. Going back into the main course page, you'll notice that the indicator is now marked in green as being done. Completions are also tracked in the side banner, or the summary of activities. In order to complete the module and proceed to the next one, all activities must be marked as done. To post a forum discussion, you simply click on the page and you're able to either reply to an existing discussion topic, or you can add a new discussion topic at the top. So to reply to this one, you open it, click on reply, and enter your text and post to the forum. You also have an option to edit or delete your forum posting by clicking on the appropriate button and confirming that you want to delete the post. Assignment submissions. Each assignment will open with the particular learning competencies that are considered for the assignment. Keep these in mind when preparing your response. Details of the assignment follow. You could simply click on Added Submission. You can enter text directly onto the online text box, or you can drag and drop a Word or Pages document or a PDF in the File Submissions box, and then simply click on Save Changes. Some of the lessons include quizzes. You simply click on your answers, and when you're complete, you just click on the button Finish Attempt. You are able to return to the quiz at any time. Once you are satisfied with your final answers, you just click on Submit All and Finish. This concludes the CAN course orientation video. If you have any questions about the online courses or encounter any technical difficulties, please contact the technical support person included in your enrollment message, or you can email us at info@canc.ca. Thank you for being part of the CAN community, and enjoy your learning experience.